I'm going to show you how to decorate my mantle to look festive for the holidays. Hey everybody, it's Bobby Berk and I'm at my home in LA where the holidays are quickly approaching. First, start with a mirror. Whether it's round or rectangle, the mirror is going to make your space feel bigger and it's going to bounce light all over the room. You don't even need to worry about hanging it. I love just leaning it against the wall. The next step is to bring in garland, either real or faux. So normally I love symmetry in design, but for the holidays, I wanted to mix it up a little bit. That's why I'm doing an asymmetrical mantle piece. This might look a little off-center to you, but I'm going to show you how to add things on the other side to balance it all out. Step 3, stockings. So with stockings, they A, don't have to match, and they B, don't have to be holiday colors. I like bringing them in more neutral tones and mixing and matching them in different materials and textures because it really makes for a nice, unique looking mantle. Step 4, light it up. I like to bring in twinkle lights on top of the garland because it just adds a little extra holiday flair. And twinkle lights are really great because the wires are super thin and you don't even really notice them. So as opposed to traditional Christmas lights that have a much thicker core that you see, these just blend right into your garland. And they're usually battery operated. So step 5, bring in some candles. So to balance things off on the opposite side of the stockings, I like to use a bunch of pillar candles to kind of balance the weight of it. I definitely recommend using battery operated ones because A, you don't have to replace them after you buy them, and B, there's no risk of fire. All right, step 6, finishing touches. I love to put a collection of ornaments or some wood garland to really just give it a little extra something. The trick with the wood garland is to tuck it in with the green garland so it doesn't overpower everything. So these are just traditional glass or plastic ornaments that we all have. I like layering them in the garland to add a little extra, just put them in little groups. Little happy little groups. So there you have it, a beautiful asymmetrical mantle. Happy holidays to everybody from me and Bimini. Yeah.
Double R, welcome back, Double B. Hey there, Bobby. How are you, my love?
Hi, good. How are you, love?
I'm hanging in there, and I'm trying to figure out actually what to do for the holidays because we have the rebuild, and you know, I'm starting from scratch in a really big way for our home for the holidays. So I appreciate you and all of the great advice you gave us on the mantle.